In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Remitly to Bkash. We'll walk through the exact flow on the Remitly website so you can move money to a Bkash mobile wallet in Bangladesh with confidence. I'll explain what you're seeing on each screen, why it matters, and share quick tips to avoid common hiccups without adding any extra steps. Start by opening the Remitly homepage. On the main screen, choose the option to send money. This takes you into the transfer setup where you'll select where your money is going and how it will arrive. In the country field, type Bangladesh. Setting the destination first helps Remitly show you the right delivery options and currency right away. Next, look for the amount fields. In the box labeled You Send, enter the amount you want to transfer from your side. As you type, you'll notice They Receive field updates automatically. This shows the estimated amount your recipient will get in Bangladeshi taka, including the current exchange rate and any fees for your chosen speed. If you need to tweak the amount to hit a specific total on the recipient's end, use these two fields together until it looks right. Now choose how the money will be delivered. Open the delivery method selector, then pick mobile money. From the list of options, select Bkash. This ensures the funds go straight to the recipient's Bkash wallet instead of a cash pickup or bank account. Choosing Bkash here is important because it aligns the rest of the form with what's needed for mobile wallet transfers in Bangladesh. With delivery set, select how you want to pay. Open the payment method menu and choose bank account, then continue. You'll move into recipient details next. Enter the recipient's first name and last name exactly as they're known on their Bkash profile, then continue. Accuracy here can help prevent delays. You'll be prompted for the recipient's mobile phone number. Enter the number linked to their Bkash wallet, making sure the country code and local digits are correct and there are no extra spaces or characters. If the number isn't active with Bkash, the transfer may fail, so it's worth double checking with your recipient before you proceed. Continue once that looks good. You may see an optional offer or prompt at this point. Choose No. Thanks to move forward without adding extras. Next, select Add new card to set up your funding details and continue. You'll now enter your card information. Type your card number, the expiration date, and the security code from the card. Then add your name exactly as it appears on the card, along with your billing address. The billing address should match what your card issuer has on file. Mismatches can lead to declines or extra verification. Take a moment here to review every character. Card details are very sensitive, and even a minor typo can interrupt the transfer. Keep your card information private and only enter it on the secure Remitly form you see on screen. When your card details and billing address are complete, continue to the summary. Choose Review Details to see everything in one place before you proceed. You'll find the total you're sending, the amount the recipient will receive in taka, the exchange rate, applicable fees, the delivery method set to Bkash, your recipient's name and mobile number, and your payment method. Carefully confirm that the recipient's name is spelled correctly. The phone number is the one registered to their Bkash wallet, and the amount and fees match your expectations. If anything looks off, use the back navigation on screen to fix it now. Adjustments are fastest before you finalize. That's the entire process. Start on Remitly, set Bangladesh as the destination, enter your send amount and check what they'll receive, choose mobile money with Bkash, provide recipient details, add your payment information, and review the summary. Once you're satisfied on the review page, you're set to move forward according to the on-screen prompts. With these steps, your money should head to the recipient's Bkash wallet smoothly, often arriving quickly depending on the options you selected.